How now, brown cow? Mastering the art of how questions. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English, asking and answering questions. Today, we're going to focus on the word how, specifically avoiding double questions, a common mistake when using how. By the end of this video, you'll have a stronger grasp on how to correctly ask and answer questions with how. Let's jump in. How questions are integral to our daily conversations. They help us understand methods, procedures, conditions, or quality. But in an effort to be detailed, sometimes we end up asking double questions, like, how did you know where was I? Which sounds unnatural and confusing. Double questions happen when we pack two questions into one, usually without realizing it. They often occur when we're uncertain about what information we're seeking or when we're trying to ask a complex question. Let's take another example. How can I learn what is a double question? This question actually contains two questions. How can I learn? And what is a double question? When you find yourself constructing a double question, it's usually best to simplify. Break it down into two separate questions or reshape the question so it asks for one piece of information. So, how can I learn what is a double question? Can be corrected to, how can I learn about double questions? To avoid double questions, it's essential to practice. Listen to native speakers, practice forming your own questions, and check if you're asking one clear, specific question. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Learning comes from correcting these mistakes. And that's a wrap on our lesson about avoiding double questions with how. Remember, the key is to keep your questions simple and clear. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember to keep practicing. Tune in for our next video where we'll continue our journey in mastering conversational English. Happy learning!